Imagine software that doesn't just sit there waiting for your clicks, but actually works while you sleep. Most people are still treating ChatGPT like a search engine. That's a mistake. We're moving past chatbots into the era of AI agents. Here's the shift. Traditional software is passive. You tell it exactly what to do, step by step. AI agents flip that model. You give them an objective, find qualified leads, optimize my ad spend, handle customer support tickets, and they figure out the steps themselves. Technically, an AI agent is a system that can understand a goal, break it into tasks, use tools or API, make decisions based on feedback, and iterate until the job is done. Think of it less like a tool and more like a junior operator who doesn't sleep. For example, instead of manually researching prospects, writing emails, and tracking responses, an AI agent can scrape data, qualify leads, draft personalized outreach, send follow-ups, and update your CRM all without you touching a thing. And here's the important part. It doesn't just automate tasks, it automates decision-making between tasks. That's the real unlock. Now, let's talk about why this matters, especially if you're building, scaling, or trying to stay competitive. AI agents compress execution time. What used to take a team now takes a system. That changes the economics of everything. Startups can operate with smaller teams. Solo operators can run multi-function businesses. Enterprises can eliminate layers of repetitive work. We're moving from headcount scaling to capability scaling. And if you zoom out, this is similar to what happened with cloud computing. Before AWS, you needed infrastructure. After AWS, you just needed an idea and a credit card. AI agents are doing the same thing, but for operations. Now here's the nuance. This doesn't mean humans are out of the loop. It means the leverage shifts. The people who win in this environment aren't the ones doing the work manually. They're the ones designing systems that do the work. In other words, less execution, more orchestration, and that's a very different skill set. So here's how I'd approach this practically. First, don't try to learn everything about AI. That's a losing game. Instead, pick one workflow in your life or business that's repetitive and time-consuming. Then ask a better question. Can an agent handle this end-to-end? Start small, lead generation, content repurposing, customer support, data analysis. Second, get hands-on. Use tools that let you build or deploy agents without heavy engineering. The learning curve is in thinking, not coding. And third, treat this like a shift, not a trend. Because it is. The companies and individuals who adapt early won't just move faster, they'll operate on a completely different playing field. AI agents aren't just another feature. They're a new interface to work itself. And once you start using them, going back feels like doing math without a calculator. The era of manual execution is ending, and the era of system design is just beginning. If you want to stay ahead of the curve as these agents reshape our world, hit subscribe and join the network. I'm Neural Nexus, and I'll see you in the next one.